They should have some good weather at least to work on the roads outside. But for us, I mean, I guess we're going to have to stay home, maybe not venture out into the city.
I don't want to go to there. That's going to be a rough drive. We got to warm up for the weekend.
I like that.
There's rain next week. We got to talk about that. But before we get to that rain, there is a warm up inland. You're going to be in the upper 70s by Saturday. If you looked at us from space today, you could see something going on out here. Watch the clouds off the coast of California. You're looking at the last 7 hours. We've really got to get a wide view because you can see there's like a scouring motion. Watch the clouds down there. Notice the pattern? Everything is getting blown away. See it? Offshore winds. You could see it in the cloud deck today. And then you've got this big clear area where the clouds can't be. We start warming up when we go into offshore winds like this, and we can put this on a little bit more of a local scale. I'm going to bring this back home for a second. And if you take a look at what the wind streams are going to be doing tomorrow, look at the offshore winds streaming out the Golden Gate. That is opposite of what they normally do. They normally come onshore, and that's when we get all cool, damp, and gray, and marine layery, and onshore. Next couple of days, not like that. So you've got a nice little warm up, and look at the influence it's going to have on your daytime highs. A lot of us are going to be back into the low and mid 70s. This is Friday. Saturday's going to be a little bit warmer. I'll get out of the way. You can take the tour there. You'll be at 71 in Santa Cruz. 72 is going for Los Gatos. 74 in Livermore. Right about 70 in San Francisco. That's a nice day in the city. 73 in Santa Rosa. Saturday will get a little warmer. Stay tuned. We're going to look at those numbers in 1 second. Let's go find that rain. We'll take a look out in the Pacific, and I want you to watch the way this storm's going to come together. It'll work its way towards the Pacific Northwest first, and I'm going to pause it just when it looks like it's going to bring rain into Oregon and Washington. That's where our rain is going to be on Sunday, and you'd think, well, we missed that one. Like most of them, it's going too far north. Only it's not, because now we'll advance the Futurecast imagery forward. Watch it stop in its tracks, go backwards, and then come back for us. That's weird. That's what cutoff lows can do. They behave strangely. But what is not so weird about this is it's the same exact story as yesterday. That's 24 hours of consistency now. That's a good sign. The forecast models are starting to hone in on this. Hasn't changed the narrative either. We get a front, comes through on Monday. So we're going to get some widespread rain on Monday, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch of rain. This is not a deluge. This storm is not like the one that came through here last weekend. You're not going to get that impressive with the downpours and the hail. Certainly not on Monday, but then maybe on Tuesday, right? Watch what happens here. It looks like a mess. It'll get much clearer as the high-resolution models come in the next 24 to 36 hours, but I digress. That, on Tuesday, is where we could see an isolated thunderstorm. That's actually the center of the low. It's going to be coming overhead. Watch the snow in the Sierra. Snow level goes down to like 4,000 feet. In that way, this storm is similar to the last two that have come through here. It just doesn't have as much intensity to it. So if we look at the totals, for the Monday-Tuesday period, maybe it's about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. We got way more than that with the storm that came through here last time. There could also be a follow-up shower that comes through here when we get into Wednesday. A little piece of energy looks like it might be able to cut through. So you'll see in the 7-day forecast, it's not just the Monday and Tuesday terrariums with rain on them. There is the chance for showers on Wednesday from a little leftover piece of energy it looks like wants to come through here. So maybe there's a chance of rain there, but it doesn't look like much. Look at the weekend. Going to be sitting pretty there with temperatures climbing to near 80 for daytime highs inland on Saturday. Sunday will be cooler, but with this system not really getting here till Monday, the weekend is fine. You might notice a few more clouds on Sunday. It might get a little bit cooler on Sunday, but it's not going to be dramatically different. Those are the numbers for the Bay, by the way. San Francisco will be sitting close to 70 degrees for the next 2 days, and you'll be in the low to mid 70s for locations that are not sitting right there on the water like that.
So April is kind of living up to its reputation because back in March when we had those heat waves, we thought, oh, maybe we're done with rain, but it's actually nice to get these systems rolling through.
Yeah, and these are, I mean, it can rain in April, but what we've seen with these 3 storms is actually a little more impressive than a typical April. We're kind of making up, but not really.
All right. Thanks, Darren.